Very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at home. Previous class, we have studied characteristics of particles of matter. Today we are going to discuss about compressible as compared to liquids and solids. First of all, we are going to discuss about compressibility. What is compressibility? Measure of ability of substance to be forced into smaller volume, determined by strength of intermolecular forces. You know very well the three types of states are there: solid, liquid and gas. The solid molecules are tightly packed. The liquid molecules are loosely packed and gas particles are very loosely packed. So the intermolecular force between the molecules. Gas is highly compressible. Why? Molecules fare apart, weak intermolecules forces. Molecules fare apart, weak intermolecular forces between the gas molecules. So gas is easily and highly compressible. Solids and liquids nearly incompressible because molecules very close together, stronger intermolecular forces. Gases are compressible. Gases uniformly expand to fill a container. Gases form a homogeneous mixture regardless of identity. See here, the gas molecules are loosely packed. It's moving randomly or rapidly moving here and there and here. Solids. In a solid phase, the particles are so close together, they no longer have free motion. In other words, they make a shape that won't change on its own and the particles sit in place and vibrate. Compressibility of gases. Gases have a lot of space between each particle. Gases have no volume and very good children shape. Gases have no volume and shape. Gases can easily to be squeezed together because it's loosely packed. Liquids. Matter with a definite volume but no definite shape. Liquid is definite volume but no definite shape. Particles move more freely than those of a solid. Particles have more kinetic energy than particles in solid. So they are moving faster than in a solid. We are going to prove the compressibility is high in gases. So going to do one experiment. Let us take 3 identical syringes. Close the nozzles tightly with the cork. After removing the plunger, first let us fill it with fine cork chalk powder. Now put the plunger back and try to press it down. What do you observe? After removing the plunger, first let us fill it with fine chalk powder. Now put the plunger back and try to press it down. What do you observe? Here I am taking some chalk piece and put in the syringe. I just compress used with the plunger You know very well, chalk piece is a solid. So closely packed molecules and not compressible. Next, let us fill in the second one with water. Try pressing the plunger down. What do you observe? Here I am taking colored water. Loosely packed molecules and liquid compressible, because the liquid is loosely packed molecules. So the liquid is compressible compared to the compressibility is higher is compared to solid. Next, let us now draw the piston back to suck the air. The third one, press the plunger down. What do we observe? Is it easy or hard to press? Gases. Here, inches stick smoke I am taking instead of gas. Large interspacing and easy compressible, because the gas molecules and all loosely packed. Gas particles are in continuous and random motion. The force of attraction is least between the gas particles. The space between the gas particle is greatest and highly compressible. But you know very well, solid is incompressible, because there is a little space between the particles of solid. These particles attract each other very strongly. Particles of solid cannot move freely, so it's incompressible. What about liquid? Compressible to a small extent. These particles have a greater space between them. The force of attraction between liquid particles is less than solid particles. So these particles move freely. Okay. Record your observations, share among the group members. You would have observed that the plunger moved freely when air was present, because the air molecules is the force of attraction is least. So freely when air was present, and in the case of water and chalk powder, it was difficult to press. The piston hardly moved. We conclude that gases are highly compressible as compared to, very good children, liquid and solid. Already you have studied nicely in your lower classes about solid liquid gas, shape of a solid liquid gas, volume of a solid liquid gas, and particle motion of solid liquid gas, and arrangement of solid liquid gas and its picture. Once again we can recall the solid liquid gas. Okay, shape. What is the shape of solid? A rigid with a definite or fixed shape. Square, rectangle, triangle, like that. Liquid takes the shape of its container. Gas fills a container. Example, LPG, balloon, tire, etc. Volume of solid, definite volume, not compressible. Liquid, definite volume, not compressible. Gas, indefinite volume, easily compressible. Example, a balloon. Particle motion, solid. Particles vibrate but are generally locked into place. Liquid, particles slide past one another. Liquids can flow. Gas, move rapidly with very high energy. Particle motion, gas move rapidly with very high energy. So arrangement of solid, liquid, gas. First of all, we are going to see solid arrangement. See the picture, very close together in an orderly arrangement. Very close together in an orderly arrangement. See the picture of liquid, close together but not locked into an orderly arrangement. Okay. Last one, arrangement. Arrangement of gas. Particles are very far apart. Pour me a cup of glass, please. Strictly speaking, the glass is not a solid. It's actually a very slow moving liquid. Yes, the glass is a very slow moving liquid. In church windows that are hundreds of years old, the glass church windows that are hundreds of years old, the glass at the bottom is thicker than that at the top proof. That glass flows like a liquid if given enough time. Next we are going to discuss about matter and classification of matter. Matter is classified to two types, pure substance and mixture. The pure substance is classified two types, element and compound. Mixture is classified to two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay children, we will discuss about clearly on next class. Today home test for you, matter around us lesson, short answers 1 to 4. You should read thoroughly, write the test and send it to your concerned science